826 Seattle is a tutoring and writing center that offers free writing workshops, field trips, after-school tutoring to kids 6 to 18. I think for us here at 826, having a safe space is just about being a place that's open to everybody and accepts people on whatever terms they walk in the door.
Most of all, I just really love the environment. And like 826 allows students to explore their creativity and make their own paths.
We teach how to write and how to write your stories and how to punctuate your stories, but also we teach problem solving and we teach conflict resolution and we teach confidence when we ask kids to get up on stage and read their work. And I think the skills that we're teaching are the kinds of skills that really make a difference in your adult life.
I've definitely made so many connections, and 826 has opened so many doors for me in ways I didn't think was possible.
Before I came to 826, I didn't like writing at all, and I thought writing was just not really my thing. But once I started coming here and like going to workshops and doing the writing that they helped me with, I learned that I actually was a good writer and that I like writing, and like writing is an output for me.
The organization has kind of helped me figure out what I want to do and what I'm interested in. When it was coming down to homework, SAT prep, and college applications, 826 was there for me throughout the entire way and helped me in a lot of ways that I wouldn't have been able to get outside of 826.
I forget, how many drummers do we have in here? Bass clarinet?
When I first came in 826, I didn't really know how to write because I was still in first grade. So the 826 has literally taught me everything I know about writing antonyms, synonyms, anything that has synonyms at the end.
I believe that if we tell each other our stories, we will understand each other better. And if we understand each other better, we will take care of each other. And if we take care of each other, the world actually is a better place.